Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you all my recipe for soft and fluffy flour pholourie. Yes, you heard me right. Flour pholourie. I don't like split peas in my pholourie, but if you wanted to make this with split peas, of course you can. So to start this recipe, we're starting in our bowl with 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm adding in salt and some turmeric. Next goes in my instant yeast, and brown sugar. You don't have to worry that the salt is going to kill the yeast, because you'll see in this recipe it's going to be perfect. In goes green seasoning, and now we're going to give this a good mix to bring it all together. Once it's properly mixed in, then we'll go in with our water. I'm using my Danish dough hook to help me here. I'm going to go in with half of my water. In total, I use 2 1/4 cups. Depending on the brand of flour you use, you may need less or you may need more. So add it in a little at a time and mix. And if you guys are interested in this dough hook, I'd leave the link for it in the description box. If you cannot find that, message me and I'll send you the link. It makes it really easy when you have to mix really soft, sticky doughs. I'm going to go in with a little more. You see how I'm adding it a little at a time? Don't add it all at once. Add it a little at a time until it all comes together. And you're going to mix until the gluten forms and it looks nice and smooth. And you'll see how the consistency will change from this to this. This is what you want it to look like. So after about 5 to 8 minutes of mixing, this is how it should look. Next, you just want to clean down the sides of your bowl. And then you're going to cover it with plastic wrap and allow it to rest in a warm place until it doubles in size. I like to put it into my oven with a cup or a bowl of very, very hot water, and it helps it to rise fast. Once it doubles in size, you're going to remove that plastic wrap. So you see how it's sticking? Maybe you'd want to spray it with a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick to your plastic wrap. And next, you're going to take a spoon or your cookie scoop, or you can use your hands, and you're going to take up small portions, and we're going to be frying this in oil on a medium to medium low heat. You can test one, make sure that the oil is nice and hot when you add it in. If it does not sizzle like this, wait for it to heat up some more. Now if you're having problems and it's sticking to your hand or your spoon, dip it in some water, shake off the excess water, and then go ahead and pick up some. I'm going to show you guys here. Watch when you drop it. You see how easy that drops? The trick is that water. Dip it, pick it up, and when you drop it, it's going to release. So that's the trick to getting it to release quickly into your oil. Make sure you don't leave any excess water because it can cause the oil to splatter. Once you add them in, you're going to turn them over. Make sure they're cooking evenly. You want these to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you make it bigger, it can take up to 5 minutes. Cook them until they're golden brown and they double in size. And once they're done, you're going to take them out of the oil and drain them on some paper towels. How beautiful do these look? They're not perfectly round, but I love them like this. Little nooks and crannies tend to hold the sauce better. And I like serving these with either homemade sauce, but today I'm using this spicy tamarind chutney from Caribbean Flavors. I actually always have this on hand for when I don't want to make chutney. It is seedless, but I added in some extra seeds that I had on hand. I just threw it into the bottle, so it does come seedless. So look how delicious, soft, and airy and fluffy that is. And all you have to do is dip into your sauce and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. All my sauces can be found in the description box. I'll link it for you. It's already on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Do remember to continue to stay safe. If you like the video, like it, share it, and I hope you subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.